The horizon leans forward, offering you space to place new steps of change. By Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou's quote beautifully captures the dynamic nature of the horizon, portraying it as a space for change and growth. It encourages individuals to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead, fostering a sense of hope and optimism. Chase the horizon and you'll discover that you've caught the sun, by Unknown. This anonymous quote uses the metaphor of chasing the horizon to convey a sense of pursuit and accomplishment. It suggests that by striving for distant goals, individuals can achieve greatness and bask in the warmth of success. There's a sunrise and a sunset every single day, and they're absolutely free. Don't miss so many of them. By Joe Walton. Joe Walton's quote connects the everyday occurrences of sunrise and sunset to the beauty of the horizon. It serves as a reminder to appreciate the simple yet profound moments that nature provides, encouraging a deeper connection with the horizon. Horizon. The line where the earth seems to meet the sky. By dictionary definition. This quote provides a straightforward definition of the horizon, reminding individuals of the basic yet enchanting concept of where the earth and sky converge. It encourages a contemplation of the simplicity and beauty inherent in nature. For a horizon is but the limit of our sight, by Rossiter W. Raymond. Rossiter W. Raymond's quote offers a philosophical perspective on the horizon, suggesting that it is defined by the limits of our perception. It encourages individuals to expand their vision and explore the infinite possibilities beyond the perceived boundaries of the horizon.